Microsoft dominates the AI software market, yet CEO Mustafa Suleyman recently admitted they lack the computing power to build systems at the absolute largest scale. Currently, Microsoft operates within the mid-class range of AI development. This mid-class focus provides an optimal balance, allowing the company to manage high performance and massive user demand while keeping operational costs manageable. While these mid-tier systems support today's features, winning the long-term race requires a level of processing power that Microsoft is still working to bring online. The primary obstacles are no longer found in software code, but in the harsh physical realities of hardware infrastructure. Four specific pressures throttle progress: limited data center capacity, equipment shortages, massive power requirements, and a competitive labor market. These factors create a hard ceiling on development pace. As demands grow, lack of physical space and power restricts how quickly Microsoft scales its models. The limits of global supply chains and physics currently dictate Microsoft's trajectory more than any traditional software competitor. To address these limits, Mustafa Suleyman and Satya Nadella convened 350 members of the superintelligence team in Miami to establish a new strategic direction. The core objective is to achieve total AI self-sufficiency within the next 2 to 3 years. This marks a pivot away from heavy reliance on external partners, a shift accelerated by recent contract renegotiations with OpenAI. Gaining true operational flexibility requires Microsoft to build and own every layer of its AI stack. Controlling the underlying hardware, the chip clusters, and the data centers removes the external dependencies that can stall a company's roadmap. This strategy requires massive investments to build frontier-scale chip clusters and expand raw data budgets. This hardware foundation supports proprietary software led by Microsoft's foundation model, MAI-1. This diagram illustrates the current proof of concept: massive clusters of Nvidia H100 GPUs feeding the data necessary for training the MAI-1 model. Microsoft is also concentrating elite talent, placing Suleyman in charge of model development, and recruiting industry experts like Ali Farhadi to lead the charge. Aligning proprietary hardware, in-house models, and specialized talent creates a closed-loop system designed to be immune to external bottlenecks. The results of this investment are expected to surface later this year as a major computation ramp comes online. As shown here, Microsoft's compute capacity has hit a plateau at the mid-tier level, but the upcoming hardware expansion is designed to push their capabilities into frontier-scale territory. Reaching this scale allows Microsoft to significantly lower the operational costs of its AI tools. Reducing the cost of compute is the only way to sustainably meet the massive incoming wave of consumer demand. This current compute deficit represents a temporary construction phase. While physical infrastructure takes time to build, owning the hardware foundation secures long-term dominance over the technology's future. Today, Microsoft is building the massive industrial factories that will house the next generation of the AI frontier.